If the perfect wave exists, you'll find it on Oahu's North Shore. The towering, glassy winter waves of this legendary surf mecca draw the best surfers in the world, while smaller and gentler summer waves are better for beginners. Stretching for more than 7 miles, the beaches of the North Shore host the world's premier surfing competitions during the peak winter months, including the biggest of them all, the Vans Triple Crown of Surfing, November to December. Waimea Bay, Ahukai Beach, Bonsai Pipeline, and Sunset Beach are great places to sunbathe and stroll along the shore. Just leave surfing the huge waves to the pros because they can be very dangerous for inexperienced surfers. The months between November and February are the best times to see big wave surfing. The massive waves can sometimes swell up to 30 feet or more, dangerous even for experienced surfers, so always heed warning signs. From May to September, the waves subside, creating a more tranquil atmosphere for surfing and swimming. Roughly a 1-hour drive from Waikiki, the North Shore is also home to a variety of accommodation options, including condo rentals in the exclusive beachside Turtle Bay Resort. Take a little road trip to the charming surf town of Haliwa Town, where you can shop, eat like local and cool off with rainbow-flavored shave ice. Continue your drive to Lele to visit the Polynesian Cultural Center and the old plantation town of Ka'aku.